Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on a Redmi A1. And to do this, first let's start by opening our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Call of Duty, but there's a problem and there's no game that we're looking for. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate through the settings and enter Family, Parental Controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or enter App and Games, and here enter your PIN code. Increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now go back, try to find the game again, and it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.